Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disable do not disturb in our oppo phone. So friends, we want to disable guys your do not disturb, and as you can see guys on your screen guys, you can see this moon icon, and friends we want to disable it, and as you want to remove guys this icon. So how can you remove it? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to disable your guys do not disturb. Then guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys you this type of setting. So guys click on guys your sound and vibration setting and tap here. First guys you can see your do not disturb guys, tap here. So you want to disable your do not disturb, and guys you want to remove this icon on your screen, so guys you can remove from here. So guys tap here, then guys your do not disturb will disable, and guys this moon icon will also remove, and guys you can use guys your phone and notification link in your oppo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable do not disturb mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.